And now I promised you that I was going to show you a solution to all this problem. What the average Nigerian should definitely not overlook. The one bullet that will start solving your problem. And after you receive this solution, I promise you, your life will never be the same. Now, let's get to the solution. If I can stop dealing with some of you emotional bitch-ass Nigerians, okay? So let's get to the solution, okay? Because Nigerians are so emotional. Look, they're so emotional, they can't even click the like button, but they keep watching my video. They keep watching my video, but they can't click the like button. What kind of human beings are these? What kind of human beings are these? They can't even, these people won't even piss on you if you're on fire. Yeah? That's why most of you are losing. That's why the country is losing. That's why Nigeria is on fire. I know these Fulani people, like, seriously, I really think like the Fulani people, right? I really think the Fulani people, their plight is righteous. I really think their plight is righteous because they've looked at you people. You guys don't want to have children. You guys don't want to get married. The women don't want to submit. The women are talking all these feminists, F nonsense. The Fulani is like, it's time for these people to go. They see your women dressing naked. Prostitution is rampant. They are running all over the streets, all over Lagos. I heard all the girls are now prostitutes. The Fulani have seen you guys. The bandits have seen you guys, and they're after you guys. They're coming to eradicate all of you and your family. What are you going to do? Anyway, since we've gone this, you guys saw me open it right here in front of you. I just got this from Nigeria, okay? I wanted to talk to you people about this book, The Cooker of Men. The Cooker of Men. For all you Nigerians, for all you Africans, if you have dark skin, this book is what you need. You see this book here? This book will open up the inner chambers of your thinking faculty and activate your survival instinct. VDM, the Ratel, please don't go out again on any single protest until you read this book. Please. Ratel, you guys are already doing a great work. All the members of the Ratel, you're doing great work. Let's agree on that. Nigerians, you guys are doing great, but you can be greater. You see this book right here? Look at it. Let's capture it on this camera. You see this book? The Cooker of Men? Please, this is a must read. This is a must read. And this book is for men only. Oh. Women. This book is not for women. This book is not for women. This is what will save all of you in every part of Nigeria except the North. The North, they already understand the ideology in this book. That's why they are finishing you guys. The North already understand this book. You see it? The Cooker of Men. The solution that men in Nigeria need, family. If you finish reading this book, and you ever think of the government again, call me a bastard. You won't care about the government anymore. You even know who the president is, or you won't care. This is the solution to all your problems. All you Nigerians, this is your solution here. This is what all of you need in Nigeria. This is what you need, not empty head with just cricket inside. You need the Cooker of Men. This is what you need. Okay? Reading this book would elevate your mindset. This book is for men only. Remember, I said that, If you want to order this book, right? This book is 4,000 naira. This book is 4,000 naira if you are a member of Ihedi Light of Africa. This book is 4,000 naira. If you're a member of African Renaissance. If you're not a member of African Renaissance, this book is more than that. Okay? This book is 4,000 naira if you're a member of African Renaissance. And if you want to get this book, you have to call this number 234. That's if you're in the United States of America. 806-229-2667. Let me repeat that number again. 234-806-229-2667. That's how you get your hands on this book. Listen, for you Nigerian men with blockhead, For you Nigerian men that don't understand survivor, how government works, what the ambition and the goals of the Fulani is, you need to read this book, my brother. If you finish reading this book as an Igbo man, as a Yoruba man, you will never see things the same again. You will never wait on the government to give you even one drop of gasoline or water. You will understand what's going on, and your survival instincts will get activated. You will start doing what you need to do in this life. Now, if you're in the United States and you want to buy this book, the price is higher, way higher, because now you know how, if you're a businessman, you know how business works. Getting something from a place of abundance to a place of scarcity. That's the rules, primary rules of business. So now the book is now in United States. So this one here is $100 per copy. Because this is a book that will change your life. This is a book that will give you eternal family peace. This is the book that every man needs to read. So if you're in United States, this $100 a copy. So I don't have a lot of copies. Look, in the link is in the description. Go in the description. You see my phone number. You call me. You pay, or you sell, or you do whatever you need to do. I will mail this book out. I don't have a lot of copies. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have exactly 10 copies. So once these 10 copies are gone, I have to wait again till they come from Nigeria. So the cooker of men, the most impactful thing, the most impactful contact mentally I've ever had in all of my adult life. Most of you Nigerian men are still a cookie man. You don't understand. The government is not there to make sure you survive. The government is not there to benefit you, not in African society. Because first of all, you're being governed by a system that wasn't built by your grandfather. You see, you're being governed by a system that wasn't built by your own people. Go and listen to Nnamdi Azikiwe's speech in 1960. Go and listen to the first thing he said when he started his speech. You understand why I say Nigeria is a business. And all of you are sold. But if you want to buy your freedom back, this is the solution. The cooker of men. You buy this book and you read this book as a man, and you don't become the man that you don't become elevated. Just bring it back. I'll give you a refund. I'll give you your money back. If this book does not bring about the change that you need so that you can become the man that you need to be, full refund. I can make it happen. Full refund. Just message me, send the book back. As soon as I get it, you put a certified mail so that I can sign for it. Immediately I sign for it, I'll sell you your money back. The Cooker of Men. This is the book you need. This book here will open your medulla oblongata. VDM, you need to read this book. If you read this book, VDM, VDM make away cookie. You're not Kalamaja man. Like you don't know what's going on. You're a young boy, 32 years old. You don't know how systems work. You think you protest and you go and make noise in the street, and that's how you bring about change. I heard today that the governor of Oyo State told you that he would have helped you. He would have joined your protest if not for the fact that he's a governor. He's part of the cartel.